Scorpio, this is your channel messages for the 13th of November. Happy 13th of November. Who's the one who won? Give me one moment, because this. Oh my God, so happy, bon fête à toi, bon fête à toi, bon fête à toi. Happy birthday to y'all. Okay, so today is Jimmy Kimmel's birthday. Okay, he's a part of the 13th club. Okay, also Whoopi Goldberg. Okay, actress, comedian, host, and the realest bitch on The View. Today's her birthday also, so happy birthday. Who else? Who else was November the 13th? Nobody else? Let us look. Just Jimmy Kimmel and Miss Whoopi Goldberg. Lovely, lovely. I'll check in one more thing before I start reading. I got me too. Okay, no other birthdays today. No, today's the 13th, so we have to pick up the members of the 13th club. You understand? Great. Any single way, Scorpio, I hope all is well with you, and I just want you to go into your channel song. Crazy, man. Can't believe this is happening. Scorpio, here we go. You got me twisting over you. Do what you wanna do. Baby, I know. Baby, I love you so, but I don't feel like you do. Tell me, what can I do? But I gotta be strong. You did me wrong. I thought we were really live. Make up your mind, 'cause I'm not gonna be here for long. You got me twisted over you. Okay, let's go ahead and start reading now. Okay, ready? So I'm getting, that's your channel song, Scorpio. I'm getting, someone is twisted over you. I'm sorry, I didn't put on makeup today. I just oil my face. Actually, I don't wear makeup. Anytime I put on makeup, I look like one of the people living in the morgue. So I do not quit that. I leave that for the professionals, which is not me. Anyways, so yeah, you got me twisted over you. Bine over now, you know I'm getting, so I'm getting Scorpio. Do what you wanna do. Do what you wanna do, Scorpio. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. We're doing your career reading today, all right? Oh my God, I'm sweating so much. Oh my God, sweating, ew. Who's at the gym? It's 5:22 now. Who is at the gym clapping their bottoms on the fucking steel? Who is there doing this right now? Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Scorpio, 'cause you're not gonna be here for long. Maybe that's as it relates to a career. The workplace is taking you for a fucking joke. You're not going to be here for long. As soon as they figure out what I'm going to read, they're going to be on your way. So let's see what your career spread is. Let's see what your focus is, Scorpio. Your focus is the Page of Cups. So I'm getting Scorpio, even though you want to be successful, even though you want to be moving up the corporate ladder, I'm getting there's a lot for you to learn, Scorpio. You are still a page. You're not a knight and you're not a king yet. So I'm getting, I don't know if you just come out of college, high school, or you just, I'm getting you just came off of contract and now you're full-time, but I'm getting there's a lot to learn. I feel like you may be more faster and you're more advanced, but there's still a lot to learn in your job, Scorpio. So I feel like you should focus on research, learning more about your craft. Continuing, you don't have to continue in studies as in go to school, but I'm getting you need to learn more. You're a programmer. There's so much more programs out there you can use other than just writing a code. I'm just saying, you need more education, Scorpio. What's your advice? Your advice is a star card, yeah. With education comes people wanting you to speak and wanting you to share it. So I'm getting, even though whatever you're doing, it could be music, the Page of Cups is music, the star card is on a world stage. If you're doing anything like music, or I don't know, maybe you're not gonna be here for long because your boss is underpaying you and he's not giving you sick leaves. And every single time you come to work, your boss asks you if you and you can't answer that question because you get paid every fortnightly. So it depends on which fortnight the lands on, right? So your advice is, yeah, you will make it. You just need more knowledge. You just need more practice. Maybe you need more confidence. Maybe you have the knowledge, you have the singing, you have the dancing, you have the musical instruments playing, but you don't have the confidence. So I'm getting there's more things you need to learn about. Yes, anybody can be a star at any age, but I'm getting if you want to be put on, there's a lot more you have to learn about your craft. Maybe about dealing with stardom. What is your mentorship? Your mentorship is a 2 of 1. So I'm getting your mentors or whoever is helping you, they don't live where you live. You don't have anybody in close proximity to go to confine in or ask about how do you achieve this. I'm getting your mentors overseas. So it's either your webcam them, you talk to them, you have one-on-one coaching sessions with them, okay? I'm getting your mentor is a fire sign, an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Or maybe your mentor is telling you relocate. You are a small fish, you are a big fish in a small pond where you are. And I'm getting it going to keep getting bigger and bigger, but for some reason your personality is I don't know, something is staying at the page. Even though the star card is much more expansive than the, not expensive, expansive. It's more, is that a word? It's more expansive than the star card, right? The star card go more places, but the page is just, he's a novice, okay? So I'm getting somebody telling you relocate for your contract. If you come here, you'll get work. No matter what experience you are. Beginner, advanced, intermediate, it don't matter. Okay, so let's what's a sign to show us that you're on the right career path? Bumbleclad, the 5 of Pentacles. Well, anything you want in life, it has to take hard work. So I'm getting on top of you being a page and you want to be on top, right? You're gonna have to go through 5 of Pentacles. Almost every artist is a struggling artist unless you had mommy and daddy's money. Otherwise, you'd be waitressing, busting your ass, living paycheck to paycheck, and you're waiting until you get that big break. You will get the big break, but at what expense does it come with? Because if you want the money fast, you're going to sell out for your contract. Some of your signees, you're impoverished now. You don't have any money. You don't have friends. You don't have family. You don't have resources. You don't even have a headshot. You don't have a demo reel. You don't have nothing. I'm getting that on your sign. Because usually the biggest, them start off only with talent. Them have no money, nothing, no backing, no funding, nothing. So your sign is, are you homeless now? You've been homeless for a while. People still know your name, you still have become very reputable. People are like, hey, did you hear about this person? That's your sign. I'm getting rags to riches. You have to be rags first. You have to be washed up, washcloth, ragged first before you can go to riches. So I'm getting, that's your sign. Your sign is you're impoverished, you're hungry, you're waiting for the opportunity, you work your ass off and you're willing to grow. That's your sign that the universe will prepare for launch you. Because now you know how to be a celebrity, now you know how to be a star without the money. And what is your final outcome? The Moon card. So I'm getting something about your mother. I'm getting your mother reposting pictures of you. No, they may be very provocative pictures or videos. Like videos of you shaking your ass or you're naked. I'm getting your mother post pictures of you. Or, I don't know if they use Snapchat. They use Snapchat. I'm getting something about Snapchat accounts. But I'm getting you not know where this is coming from. I kind of want to say that your mother put you through homelessness, or she put you through isolation. No, she could say that she did this because she needed to prepare. I needed to prepare you for stardom. So I didn't care if you hate me. I needed to prepare you for something greater than me. Bitch, shut the fuck up. You don't think Jesus Christ was greater than blood clot Mary? Okay, he died before her. Shut the fuck up, bitch. Anyways, right? Okay, so if that's not it, me getting your mother are the one who actually did this to you. Because somebody was trying to stop you from, I don't know, going to USA, going to America, going to the Philippines. She had tried to stop you from going to Japan. Me getting if you travel and go to another country, you turn a big celebrity. But me getting your mother never want you to take advantage of the other opportunity. So unbeknownst to you, you're wondering why you can't get a chance. Your mom did this to you. You'll be very surprised to find out how much your mother hates you. What happened? Did your mother open her legs too early, had you, and end up couldn't achieve her dreams? And you came out the spitting image of your mother, maybe with even more talent and more confidence. That bitch hates you. So she wanted to make sure that you would never reach your full potential. I see that a lot of times reading tarot. Program, mothers hate daughters so badly. We have aliens. I see it a lot. You're waiting for your opportunity. Question, when it's gonna be my time to shine, I gotta get what's mine. When it's gonna be a little time for me, but I'm full of versatility. Anthony Miller, we have some big song I play when I get no big break yet. Hey, when Friday night come, I get no big paycheck. But me want to wear my platinum chopper with bracelet. Some little nincompoop, right? I'm getting your time soon come to shine. Right now, you're homeless. Right now, you don't have nothing. You're struggling like a struggling artist. Question, when it's gonna be your time to shine, I gotta get what's mine. When it's gonna be a little time for me, but I'm full of versatility. It's Laden, Laden. It's Laden, Laden. And we are running the blood clot program. We're running the program. So I'll say this again. I've seen a lot of times reading tarot. You will be very surprised how much your mother hated you. Toxic relationship. You're gonna be very surprised how much your mother hated you. No phones allowed. LGBTQAI+. That's why you haven't launched off, but it's okay. The delay of what your mother did to you, when you do launch off, the whole world are gonna know the story about the star that was put through pain and anxiety, all by the hands of, could be, your mother. So I'm gonna leave it here. Maybe you're living a dream that your mother could not live, unfortunately. She should have lived it through you. You don't see how Kaisen, that mother, keep coming on the fucking stream, congratulating our son, telling our son how she's proud of him, telling the parents, please believe in your kids. You don't fucking say that, Suppose Kai mama did say, no, go take up blood clot construction work. Suppose Kai mama did say, go take up bank job, but you want to be online, social media, blah, blah, blah. Look how much money Kai know, Kai have now. You think Kai mother want for nothing? Don't Kai mother could have said, well, yeah, though, you're coming just like your workless father. You know how much things Kai mother could have tell him to discourage him from that? But because she didn't believe in her son. Sometimes our parents is our biggest blood clot enemies. Our parents are our biggest bullies. Our parents are our biggest downfalls. So when you see your kid having a little creative sense, be like Kai mother. You hear? Be like Kai Sanat's mother. And his father too, because both of them are very proud of him. That is what happens when you believe in your kids. But because that man came in you and did not believe in your cold ass pussy, since your pussy they were warm, apparently you came out resenting your kids for the life they so-called took from you. Your kids never opened their legs. You did. You owe it to them for believing in them. Just like how Kaisen, that mother, believed in him. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time. Bye.